Let me see. Yeah. Oh, this is horrible. Ah.
I got my style. I got my style.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Happy 2020. I hope you all bring in your new year very, very happy. I'm wishing you all the best in 2020. All right, so the reason I'm coming to you all in my hair bonnet is because one, I'm getting ready to put this wig on, and two, I just finished up a makeup tutorial. So I was filming that, and then I was like, I need to come over here and then film this video because I didn't want to do my hair until after my makeup was done. So that is what's going on here. So a lot of you asked me to try out the Bedhead TIGI spray. Apparently this spray has been getting a lot of talk about. It's supposed to be better than the actual, oh, let me scoot this up. You're a distraction. Supposed to be better than the Got to Be Blasting Freezing Spray that a lot of people swear by and love. Supposed to hold longer and all that good stuff. I didn't really go into the whole specs on what this is supposed to do, but a lot of you tell me that it's better, it's the best thing on the market, and it's a salon secret and all that good stuff. So we're going to find out what I think about it today. When I went to look at the price for this, I was taken aback because the price was like $20-something. And I was like, ooh, suppose I don't like it. I mean, I can easily take it back if I don't like it, but $20, even if I love it, I feel like one of you are going to be like,
That's too much for a hairspray.
but you get 10.6 ounces of product. And then they also do have the mini size. However, let me tell you a little secret. So if you want to get this less pricey, go to Walmart, okay? And I will also link it below. But you can get it for $12. Like I said, check the description box. I'll link it below, but you can find it cheaper than $19, okay? So we're going to be testing that out. So the wig that I have for today is coming from Dolago. I know you see it back there. This cap is I believe 13x6 cap, and the lace I believe is normal lace. I did bleach the knots already, and as you can see, it comes with the combs, which I can't even get to. Okay. On the inside, you get 3 of them. No one ever uses them, so I don't even, well, at least I don't use them. And like I said, the hair, a yaki texture. And I have washed it already. I have bleached the knots. Smells so good. I use the Heavenly Locks shampoo and conditioner that I shared with you guys in my last video. If you want to know how to lay this lace, check out that video. I will be sure to put all the information about it down in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the extra lace from the back of it, pop this thing on, and then we're going to apply it. So this is how the wig looks. The hairline is pre-plucked. I'm not going to create baby hairs on this because I just feel like with this texture, you don't really need baby hairs. So let's talk about this hairspray for 1 second, because I want to tell you guys what my expectations are when it comes to hairsprays, because I know everyone is different. When it comes to hairsprays, I look for a few qualities. 1, smell is not too crazy. 2, the feel of it when I go to apply it, like when I'm spraying it, is even, not too runny. 3, I also look for it to not be crunchy. Like I cannot stand a hard, crunchy application. And I think that's it. Besides, it at least get me through my day. So I don't expect hairsprays to hold forever. Some lace wig glues you can use for weeks at a time. Like it'll hold your wig for weeks. With hairsprays, you have to remember that they are hairsprays. Like they're not actually glue, but they do get the job done. So I'm not expecting this to hold long, but come back in another video and update you guys like how long I can get a wear out of this. And I know I probably look crazy. My wig probably was sliding back just now. And this hair is just really soft. And I did hear you all about the not bleaching tutorial. I have to work on that video for you guys since you do want it. So yeah, I'm back to using my electric hot comb for now, because like if I'm in a rush, I need my hot combs and my curling irons to heat up really fast, and that just don't do it for me. So it's like one of those hot combs that I use if I got time. I don't have time today. Someone did ask me what hot comb do I recommend. I will link it below. I use this all the time and it's very good because ooh, it do smell really good. Oh no. How do I stop this? Oh, uh-oh, let me hurry up. You hear it? I know you guys hear that. And it's squirting out all over my hand. Look at that. Look. Can is defective. It's like all over my hands. So I'm going to apply another layer because I'm pretty sure that dried. One thing I noticed is that my hands is not sticky. From it spilling all out like that, my hands are not sticky at all. So let me go ahead and glue this down. I kid you not, that spray is just spilling out all over the place. Like, I had to take the nozzle off. Like, it's just, look at that. Let me show you. Like, it's just a mess. But the crazy thing about it is that my hands are not sticky. However, the lace it's adhere. It's definitely adhere. Let me move this can because I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's like sizzling. But yeah, the hold is in between hard and soft. It don't feel like it's going to lift. I gotta take this can out of here. Hold on, you guys. Sadly, I had to throw my whole can away because it would not stop spilling. Yeah, I know, right? I just opened up that can. As you can see, you get a deep parting with this wig. It goes all the way back, actually. I don't even know if this is a 13x6 because it's so deep. Like, the parting goes all the way back here. Knots are A+ for me. Pat myself on the back. I did that. And I'm using the flyaway tamer. So you can only find this at My First Wig. If you feel like you are paying more for shipping than you are the actual product, definitely check your beauty supply store, see if they have something that's similar. This is the ones I have on hand. I actually have a lot of them. I use what I have. And I already flat ironed this hair. After I washed it, I let it air dry and then I just took a flat iron through it. To blend that lace, I'm going to add some of this powder to make it blend because it is too dark. And let me know what you guys think about this texture. Do you like it? Do you like these type of textures? Do you feel like they look natural? And for those who keep asking about how my natural hair is under my wigs, all I do may just lay it flat, put my wig cap on and go. And I don't do anything special because I'm not good at doing like special cornrows or anything like that. So all right, so this is how it looks, and the hold feels so soft. Everything just looks so good. No baby hairs, but this hair is so soft and so pretty. Like, it has this kinky like texture to it. As you guys can probably see, it has little kinks going through it. And even if you flat iron it, that still stays. It does straighten it out just a tad bit. Okay, so my first impressions on the hard hold spray is that I love the way it smells. It passed the test for that for me. You guys know that I love anything that smells amazing. It feels really good on the hairline. Like, it do feel like it's pulling just a little bit, which, like I said, I have to go throughout my day to see how it feels by later on tonight. But I don't have time to do that for today's video. So I will update you all and let you know. So far, I do like the hold. My sides definitely are not lifted. That's a good thing because a lot of times I use the Got To Be spray and my sides are lifted like instantly. It's there. It's down. It is a little stiff right here. I did use 2 layers of the spray because I had to. You all seen the whole mishap with the can. Yeah. So make sure you check your cans before you purchase because you don't want to throw your money in the trash. I had to throw that whole can away and I'm so upset that I had to throw it away. Like, I really didn't want to. All right, so let me know your thoughts on the bedhead hard hold spray. If you tried it, do you like it? Drop me some comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it, if you feel like it's worth it, or are you going to stick to the Got To Be sprays? Give this video a like and I will see you all back in my next video, my precious squad.